Does your maintenance system meet all of your diverse needs? Have you had challenges deploying the system? Pinja is your maintenance partner. We give you a system you can use, on time, and to the agreed budget. We also constantly support you in taking full advantage of the system. Novi is a smart, mobile, optimized maintenance system that makes it easy to record, use, and refine data. A maintenance engineer makes entries right from the production facility using a mobile interface. Real-time entries improve the quality and quantity of data. They also mean the system is used more intensively. Novi supports day-to-day management by analyzing data and helping locate potential production issues in advance. That allows you to develop maintenance and make your planning and reporting more systematic. On the basis of data you enter, the maintenance operating model and process are stored on Novi. Instead of building general ERP systems, such as SAP or systems like SAP, Novi has specifically refined industrial maintenance into a mobile system. Novi is easy to use, quick to deploy, and scales to companies of various sizes and functions. Novi makes maintenance more efficient for everyone in the company who uses it. Find data on what jobs have been done and create reports on your mobile device. Track engineers' work progress in real time. Schedule tasks for engineers with a visual tool. Exploit smart data on costs and key figures to develop maintenance. Use the history and comparison views to boost the power of maintenance. Novi's real-time data helps you manage assets and keep equipment in service more intensely and for longer. See the effect that preventative maintenance can have on your business with the Novi maintenance system. Pinja, your partner in industrial renewal and digitalization.